Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to put a Kirby vacuum together. Okay, so here we have the system, we have the front nozzle, we have the bag, and we have the handle and the cord. Just move that out of the way. Okay, we should be using a Phillips head screwdriver, but I'll just use a knife for now. And then we have the bit to the handle, which is the screw and the handle holder. Okay, so first you want to make sure that this is up and your headlight is up. So we're just going to make sure that the belt lifter is tightened. And we're just going to line it up, like so, and twist. And we're going to turn it so it lines up green, green. Click that. Now you can put your headlight down. We're going to put the handle on next. So this should just click in, simply click in, like so. And the top. Okay, so we're just going to screw this handle holder on. And with the handle holder, make sure that once it's screwed on, that it's up, facing up, so then you can just easily put the cord on afterwards. Okay, so now we're going to put the bag on. Now you've got these grooves here, and they will line up and they'll sit comfortably, like so. And then this bit here just clicks in to the top, like so. Okay, and this here should just simply click in towards the system. And now we're going to turn it around. And I'm going to show you how to put the cord on. So now, actually you can see, we're just going to put them in these grooves, so in and out, weaving in and out. Up, in, weaving, through. And so we're just going to wind it until it's all wound up. Right. So once you've finished, make sure that when you plug it in, that the green light comes on, because otherwise it's indicating something's wrong, the bag's not on properly, or it could be that the belt is not tightened properly, or something's wrong with the cord. It could be a variety of things. So you just clip this in, so it's neatly in place. And there you have it. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a great day. Thank you for watching. See ya.